In this video, we're going to talk about some
Picton patios and the types of food that you can expect to find there. All of these patios are all located within walking distance inside of Picton.
Stick around.
So, to kick things off, we have Coach's Sports Bar located right on the main street of Picton, serving some amazing pub fare. Coming in at number 8 on our list is County Canteen. Small but very popular place, and they have a ton of craft beer on tap. Then we jump across the street to number 7, which is Patios restaurant. It is a Spanish-inspired food with lots of tapas. And right next door at number 6 is the Blue Sail Seafood Restaurant. And then just a little farther down the main street is Acoustic Grill. Lots of live music and dinner shows. And then just out front of the Acoustic Grill is number 4, the Vic Social. With some traditional Canadian dishes, like an amazing cheeseburger and an awesome breakfast. Then coming in at number 3 is number 7, which is an Italian restaurant here in Picton.
Chicken farm sandwich. This is the bruschetta.
Chicken parm. And then number 2 on our list is Hartley's Tavern. This is more of a fine dining, 5-star restaurant. And then the last one on our list is Angry Birds. This is a rotisserie chicken restaurant. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more great content from around Prince Edward County. See you then.